Here's why your bug bounty reports are either taking a while to process or being rejected, coming from an AppSec engineer who has to review said bug bounty reports. Number one, you are not providing repeatable processes. This causes me to have to research and find the answer on my own, and that's just not okay. Number two, a lot of y'all are script kiddies and it shows. You're basically copy and pasting other people's work. You're going on medium.com, bug bounty, HackerOne, all these places. You're reading the bug bounty reports. You're copying and pasting that information, and then you're sending it to me to say, hey, this could potentially be a problem on your network or in your application. Not going to work here. Number three, I still have to convince with some garbage reports, I still have to convince developers and managers that your finding is in fact a problem. Also, you're probably not going through the proper channel of communication. If it's not through HackerOne, if it's not through Bugcrowd, then there's more than likely a security TXT file somewhere on the application that you are not utilizing. And that is going to take me a while to get to because you probably sent it to somebody who does not even know what a bug bounty is. Ultimately, you're making it difficult for me to convince others that you deserve this reward because you're making it hard to repeat the process. You're making it, you're not giving me a lot of information. You're copying and pasting and making me research all the work. And ultimately, you're making it hard for me to convince others that you deserve a reward. So step your game up, create a good report, create repeatable steps, and you might find better outcomes. Happy bug bounty hunting.